Assalamu alaikum viewers and good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am fine and I hope my viewers are also fine, doing well and good condition in health. I am also perfect and thanks to my Allah for everything. I also pray for you to Allah Almighty so Allah give you more healthy, wealthy life, successful life and happy life. And please viewers, you also pray for me. I hope you waiting for latest video. So girls, the wait is over. Today bring some special beautiful crochet fingerless gloves design for modern girls. So girls, please you must watch my video till the end. All the patterns are very beautiful, stylish handmade knitting variety. Different ideas, mind-blowing pattern, fabulous crocheting work, handmade knitting pattern. Most demanding, most wearing collection, most beautiful ideas. Hopefully like this. Follow my channel, press the bell icon. After clicking the bell icon, you will get the notification all of my videos and latest ideas about crocheting work. Very nice. So beautiful, so simple, so adorable. Very nice. All the patterns are very beautiful. Handmade knitting variety. Mind-blowing ideas. If you want to more collection about crochet, so please visit my channel. The logo is front of you. Some are light color, dark color, color contrast, paint color ideas, multicolors, rainbow colors. Handmade knitting pattern. Some are simple and some are beautiful. Button-up style. Stylish ideas. If you are jobful, computer, laptop, mobile user, so this is very useful for you. Okay viewers, now I have to go. See you again with next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Take care viewers. Bye bye and please pray for me. Allah Hafiz. Have a nice day.